Hello there. Today we'll be doing the number 21 of Neetcode150. We will be doing the dynamic programming question called min-cost climbing stairs. It is a variation of the climbing stairs problem. So in this problem, we are given a list of costs, how much it will cost us to take a step at a certain step, and to do that, we need to pay like $10 to take the first step or $15 to take the second step. And then afterwards, we need to pay $20 to get to the third step if we decide to land on it. Otherwise, we can land on the step after the last, and that would be our final step, and that would cost us 0. So the answer to example 1 would be 15 if you pay $15. If we take 2 steps from 0 and get to 15, we pay $15. And to take the next step, 15, it'll cost us $15 to get to the final step. If, on the other hand, we pay $10 to get to the first step, and we could either pay $25 to get to the second step or $30 to get to the third step. And then from there, we can get to our final step. Of course, using this method, we are not able to create we are able to create this. We are actually we're not. Anyways, so we're creating the number of steps we need to take by using the previous formula of getting the last 2 previous steps, but we're going to work backwards this time. So what this means is that we start at 0, the cost, and we want to find out how much it would cost to go back 1 step, $20. If we go back $15, and from here, how much does it cost to go back to the minimum cost of going to the $10 space, and that would cost us 20, either 10 plus 15. Let me just get to another line for this because it's a bit of space. 15 or 10 plus $30. And we're going to take the minimum of that so that we know to take the min cost steps to get to this particular step. And it will cost us 0 to step onto ground floor again. So it would be 25 here, and it'll be 0. So depending on which step we should take, we would choose the minimum of the 0th step and the first step. And that's how we're going to solve this problem. All right, so first we're going to build out our cost. So cost.append 0 to get that 0th step. And now we're going to build out our array. So how do we get to our, we're going to move backwards, right? So for in range, so we have length of cost. So how many, first things first, we get the first, we want to go back, but we don't want to go back too far. So what does this mean? We don't want to go back too far. So currently we have an array, this particular array, and we want to return to go back to we want to go back. Let's see how many spaces. We want to go back until we hit 0 here. The 0. We want to build this particular item. We're going to build this up. So we start at let's say do we skip this problem? Skip this first one? Question mark. Well, it's going to stay 0. Do we skip this one? Well, yes, it's going to stay 20. And do we skip the third one? Yes, we skip the third one. So we're going to skip the first 3 items. And so, yeah. and to skip the then we're gonna go until we hit the -1 and -1. So in this case, we're gonna build up our numbers by using the cost. The cost is going to be the minimum of the past two items, so cost I plus 1 and cost I plus 2 plus the current cost item. And then we're going to return the minimum between the cost of 0 or 1. Oh, runtime error. Oh, these numbers here. Run. Oh, wrong. Okay, why is that? $21. Why would it cost 21? Oh, why is there +1 +2 here? That doesn't make any sense. It's supposed to be inside the brackets. Okay, great. Let's submit. Okay, great. We have solved this problem. So that is how we solve this problem. Yeah, that's it. I think for sure we can start at -4. Yeah, that should do the same thing because we're skipping like this first item, because we're skipping the length and we're just getting the index. And that's how we solve this problem. I think to be more clear about what we're doing, we should create a start equals length of cost -4. Or we should call it n, one or the other. Something to make it easier to remember. Well, that is all for this problem. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. And if you want more videos, check out the link in the description below. Well, see you guys next time. Have a good one.